This has taken me over a month to work out. Not because it's technically hard to play, but because working out what notes are being played has been so hard. I'll play through it really slowly. Now after that it goes on to the main riff, which kind of repeats. But we'll just concentrate on the intro, so I'll run through it again really slow. I'll do the first bit twice now. That last bit reminds me of Incredible Hulk for some reason. Just run through it and rewind it. This is what it sounds like when it should be at full speed. Good luck with it. I hope it helps.